Hello, I'm Angry Shay, and this is our third episode of the Birds, Books, and More broadcasts. Today we'll be talking about membership and what you can do with it. In the last video, we went and registered for a free account. After that, you would need to sign in to the site to actually get the full benefits of membership. Your name will display, and then you can see the members news, which is a members news group actually, where you can chat with other members and administrators, and you can also see important messages. You can also view videos with John Green and Angry She, videos about the site. You can also make comments on the page, but some pages have comments and others don't. You must make nice comments, because if you make a bad comment, then we will ban you from being a member and erase your membership effectively and immediately. In the members news, you must be nice and always be cool. If someone insults you or says a mean thing, immediately report it to an administrator at once by emailing contactthebirds@gmail.com, subject abuse. And that's basically our show today, so stay tuned for more.